Up next is the App of the Week segment. This is a segment dedicated to app demonstrations. Should you have an app that you would like to demonstrate for our listeners, feel free to send us the recording of such an app demo to contact us at blindandroidusers.com. And now for this week's episode, here's your App of the Week.
And we close out this episode with an App of the Week, and Snehashish Mahato brings us a demonstration of ScribeMe. And you remember we had Mark Morad, the developer, on not that long ago.
Hello everyone, this is Snehashish. Welcome to this week's App of the Week segment, where I'm going to demonstrate ScribeMe. Simply put, ScribeMe allows you to deal with inaccessible PDFs and PowerPoints. In addition, it has the feature of Live Assist and Snap and Scribe, which basically the equivalent of Be My AI or something image description functionality can be found on other AIs. So without further delay, we'll directly jump to the login process. The login process is pretty straightforward. I will open ScribeMe.
ScribeMe. ScribeMe. Permission request on left. ScribeMe on right. Allow. Button. Allow ScribeMe to send you notifications.
Okay, we'll allow that.
ScribeMe. Welcome to ScribeMe.
Now we are on the welcome screen. We'll swipe right.
Log in to continue. Enter your email. Edit box.
So excuse me, we'll enter the email address, and next we'll enter
your password. Log in button.
We'll click on login.
Editing. Password. 9 characters. Edit box. How to use button.
And yeah, I'm done. So if we look at the screen, on the very top left, we get the how to use button, which does not show the tutorial for the entire application. Rather than it shows the tutorial based on the place where you are. What I'm basically referring is, if we go to the bottom of the screen, we will see some 5 tabs from left to the right.
Selected. Home tab 1 of 5. Button.
This is the home tab where I'm in.
Snap and Scribe tab 2 of 5. Button.
Snap and Scribe. This is the image description tab, you could say.
Live Assist tab 3 of 5. Button.
We have the Live Assist.
Upgrade tab 4 of 5. Button.
Upgrade.
Profile tab 5 of 5. Button.
Profile. So if I click on how to use
button,
it will give me the instructions on how to deal with the functionality available on the home tab, such as
home information, back button,
and then if I swipe right,
home information. The home tab lets you upload any PDF or PowerPoint file and ScribeMe will scan it. Once you upload a file, ScribeMe will start the scanning process, extract the text, automatically label headings, lists, tables, and generate detailed alt text for all images detected. So
I think most of the OCR applications do not have this capability of like grabbing all kinds of formats, which are pretty helpful for the blind people in order to navigate through a document. So you could also read the rest of the functionality available on the home screen. I will just press back here.
Back button. How to use button. How to use button.
And then we have
selected PDF tab 1 of 2, PowerPoint tab 2 of 2.
2 sub tabs which are PDF and PowerPoint. Now, to be more honest, I do not deal with PowerPoint documents, so I don't know how it should be look like, but I got the same kind of result which I get by scanning a PDF. So the next of this PowerPoint tab we have this
Upload PDF button.
upload PDF button, which will basically open the root directory, and then we have this
Scan file button.
scan file button, which I will not click on. What I will do is I will go to WhatsApp, because I'm pretty sure that there I will find any notice or anything else which will contain some tables, lists, and they are also copyright free materials. So here's the documents, which is titled as paulscience.pdf.
12:34 p.m.
It
Scene.
has a caption, but don't get confused. This is the actual file where I have to be, or where the focus should be, and we'll have to
Type in focus delay. Actions.
perform the actions.
View contact. Enter. Verify. Reply. Star. Info. Delete. Copy. Share. WhatsApp on top. Share on bottom. Full science syllabus. ScribeMe.
And we'll share that on ScribeMe.
ScribeMe. How to use. Button.
Now if we look on the screen, we will see the name of the PDF,
Full science syllabus.pdf. Button.
and then we will get the
Scan file. Button.
I will click on the scan file button.
File reader. Back. Button.
After scanning the file, it will take us to a new screen, which is titled as file reader, and the focus will be on the back button. So this is basically the screen where you will see the scan result, just like in the form of a web page. It will be on web view. If I swipe to the right,
File reader. Heading. Copy. Button.
we can copy the text.
Share. Button.
We can share the text, but for better reference, it would be shared as a Word document.
Web view.
And after that, we will get the textual content.
Page 1. rbu/pol.sc/4-
And this is all about the tables.
Rows and columns.
So if I move to the next column, we will see.
Major. 4 credits.
And if I come back to the previous column,
Semester.
and then move by the row,
First semester. Second semester.
just like that. Probably it will have some lists, I'm pretty sure, because it contains some recommendations as a form of lists, because I've already deal with this PDF. So anyways, I'm going to pass through this block of text. Currently we don't have any navigation gesture to jump page by page, so I have to scroll up.
This file was processed and made accessible using ScribeMe.
So they put this disclaimer, or the I would say notice on each and every scanned results. And finally we have the
Ask AI. Button.
Ask AI button. So if I click here,
Ask AI. Back. Button. Ask AI. Type your question here. Edit box.
we will get the edit box,
Showing English. US. QWERTY. ScribeMe.
where we have to type the question. So I'm gonna type a very basic question which says, what's this PDF all about?
Send message. Button.
And we'll click on send message. So it gave us the answer.
ScribeMe AI. This PDF contains the curriculum and syllabus for a 4-year undergraduate program in political science. It covers.
And so this is all about the file reader, or the screen which contains, or which will contain the scan result. We'll click on
Back. Button.
back button.
Ask AI. Button. Back. Button. Alert. Upgrade.
And here's the pop-up to make a subscription. I will simply click on cancel, and a quick tip: if you use the back button provided by this application, which can always be found on the top left, you will get these alert. So I recommend you to use your native back gesture.
Cancel. Back. Button. File reader. How to use. Button.
Okay, then next we have
Snap and Scribe. Tab 2 of 5. Button.
Snap
Window.
and Scribe. It is pretty similar to like Be My Eyes or anything else. Let me go there.
Snap and Scribe. Tab 2 of 5. Alert. New feature. Heading.
And as soon as I clicked on that tab, it put me on a new feature heading, which says
ScribeMe can now recognize faces, making it easier to identify you, your family, and your friends whenever they appear in a photo.
so. Okay, sounds great.
Try it. Button. Not now. Button.
I will click on Not Now.
Selected. Snap and Scribe. Tab 2 of 5. Button.
What does this mean is that you can teach faces so that whenever it will detect that particular face on any photo, it will name that person instead of saying like common nouns like a man or anything else. Now we have some features here.
Recognized people. Button.
At first we have recognized people, where we could like take a picture directly within the app, take a picture from our phone's camera, or choose an existing picture. And again, something here which makes this app pretty interesting, which is will show you
People. Back. Button. Alert. Face recognition consent dialog.
So we have this face recognition consent dialog, which more or less about that you must have the permission of that person whose face you are going to put here. I will click on
I understand and confirm. Button.
this button.
People. Back. Button.
You can definitely read the dialog by the way, or the privacy thing. So
People. Heading. Recognized people. 0 of 10.
I think on a free account, since I'm using a one, we can recognize up to 10 faces. We can teach up to 10 faces rather than. So
No people added yet.
it says no people added yet.
Add person. Button.
And okay, so we have only add person option. So if I click here,
Alert. Add person dialog. Add person. Heading. Enter name. Edit box.
we can enter the name. This time I will enter mine.
Showing English. US. QWERTY. ScribeMe.
Okay, then we'll
Cancel. Button. Next. Button.
click on next.
Select image source dialog.
And we are on select image source, where we will have some 3 options.
Select image source. Heading. Guided camera. With voice guidance. Button.
Guided camera with voice guidance. It's pretty useful. I don't know whether the picture which will be taken by this application can also be shared on other platforms or not, but if it can, then that would be marvelous. So basically when you will click on this button, you will have your copy of ScribeMe asking about whether it should take pictures or all these things, permissions, and then you are good to go with the voice guidance.
Camera. Button.
Camera button will launch your phone's default camera. If you are partially sighted, or if you have someone sighted acquaintance with you, then you could take help of that person to take the picture of that, or if you could tell that person that, hey, you just could take a selfie so that I can teach this app your faces.
Gallery. Button.
Gallery button will bring the usual like photo selection screen or anything else it calls, from where you could choose one of your existing photos.
Dismiss.
And we have dismiss.
People. Add person. Button. Back. Button. Recognized people. Button. Recognized people. Button. How to use. Button. Please take or choose. Open camera. Button. Open gallery. Button.
So this screen is mainly for dealing with photos and all these things. So in addition to recognizing people, we have some options for like adding photos in the app in order to make them described.
Open camera.
So,
button. Please take or choose a photo to describe. Open. Home tab 1 of 5. Button.
So what I will again do is we'll go to WhatsApp.
Overview. Home tab 1 of 5. Overview. Button. ScribeMe. Home. WhatsApp. Message. Compose message. Edit box. Shreya. 9:10 p.m. View. And verify. Reply. Star. Delete. Share.
I will share that on ScribeMe.
WhatsApp on top. Share on bottom. ScribeMe. Recognized people. Button.
One thing I like pretty much about it in terms of image description is that it does take, I think, some 2 seconds to describe the image. So it doesn't say that please wait, it is processing the image or anything else. So here's the description of that.
This image appears to be a news clipping in Bengali with prominent headlines and a photograph.
And to the next of that, we have
copy description. Button.
Copy description.
Ask AI. Button.
Ask AI.
Open camera. Button.
And so on. Next, we have
Live Assist. Tab 3 of 5. Live Assist tab 3 of 5. Selected.
This is, again, I'm not going to show you because if I click on go live or go live, what it will do is it will basically switch to the channel where usually people can deal with calling related things. So since I'm casting my phone, the audios will not be captured. What I would like to mention here about this feature is that, like in other AI tools, you need to ask again and again what's happening or what's changing on the surroundings. Here you don't have to ask that. You just have to move your phone slowly and it will detect all the changes. So go and check it out and feel free to make a comment.
Upgrade tab 4 of 5.
And then
Button.
we have upgrade.
Upgrade tab 4 of 5. Selected.
This is all about upgradation. It has 2 plans.
Monthly currently selected.
The monthly plan is selected currently, which is something 2,300 and something.
Yearly. Button.
And yearly
21,300.00.
Okay, so this is the price range according to the Indian currency. You guys could check what's the price on your own currency. And then we have kind of similar benefits on these 2 plans, which are
save up to 20%.
This is just for the yearly plan, by the way.
Access Live Assist with no timeouts.
Okay.
Upload 100 files per month. Upload larger files. Describe 6 photos at once and snap and scribe. Ask unlimited questions about any document or photo. Subscribe. Button.
And we have subscribe and all these things. By the way, I should have mentioned it before. It is also available on the how to use button under the home tab. That is, ScribeMe can only scan up to 10 pages of one document on each day. So for example, if you upload a 50-page PDF, the first 10 pages of that document will be scanned if you are on a free account and haven't scanned a single file on that day. If you are on a subscribed account or on a premium account, you will get the above mentioned benefits, but it will scan up to 400 pages for each of those 100 files. So yeah, this is all about the upgradation tab. And then finally we have
Profile tab 5 of 5. Button.
Profile tab. Let's click here.
Profile tab 5 of 5. Profile. Heading. sh_r3 ads manage profile. Button.
This is my name. So Let's click here to manage the profile.
Manage profile. Back. Button. Manage. Name. sh_r. Email. Snehashish Mahato 200. Age. 24. Change password. Button.
By the way, when you will log in on it for the first time, it might ask you for the age. So I'm pretty sure that this might be optional. Anyways, I don't know why I gave it, but let's keep it aside.
Log out. Button. Delete account. Button.
So we have these options: logging out and deleting the account and stuff like that.
Back. Button. Profile. sh_r. File history. Button.
File history is the place where you will find all of your scanned files and all these things. So
File history. Back. Button.
here you will get a search option.
File history. Search. Edit box. Unlabeled. Edit box. Whole science syllabus.pdf.
And if I long press on this file,
Alert. Delete file. Are you sure you want to delete this file? Cancel. Yes.
yes.
Button. File history. Back. Button.
So this is all about the file history.
Profile. File history. Subscriptions. Button.
Subscription will reflect the mode of your account.
Settings. Button.
Settings button. Here you will get a couple of options.
Settings. Back. But settings. Checked. On. Enable haptic feedback. Switch.
Haptic feedback will make the vibration while the document will be scanning.
Off. Checked. On. Enable processing sound. Switch.
Okay.
Off. Dark mode. Switch.
I don't know why I have turned it off.
On. Language. Heading.
Language. It is divided for several features.
App language English. Button.
This is the app language.
Snap describe. Heading. Image description language. English. Button.
This is the language where the image should be described in.
Live assist language. English. Live assist response speed. Fast. Button.
So that was the language in which the AI will respond. You will interact with the AI, which is English as default. Response time, which is fast as default.
Live assist audio. Heading.
And we will have some devices.
Voice number 1. Voice number 2. So voice number 3. Lena. Double tap to listen and select this voice. Button. Voice number 4. Leo. Double tap to listen and select this voice. Button.
So as soon as you will tap on it, it would be selected and played simultaneously.
Voice number 5. Voice number 6.
Okay, let's back from this.
Back. Button. Profile. Settings. Contact us. Button.
This is the button to contact with the dev.
Share with friends. Button.
This is the button to share with friends, acquaintance.
Social media. Heading. Facebook. Button. Instagram. Button.
Facebook and Instagram. So this is all about ScribeMe. Thanks for listening.
First, thank you, Snehashish, for the great demo. First, I want to say that the problem that we were talking about before, and even we discussed it during the interview, I think, the problem of being unable to use the live assist feature when you're using Jisho is finally solved. The developer did a great job to fix the issue. And I was able to confirm it, and other people as well. So now you can just use it normally, the live assist feature, I mean. The other thing, actually, this app is really good when it comes to the ability to scan documents. So using it with PDFs, it tries to retain the format, and it tries to describe all of the images that are found in the document. So it gives you the available text, and it gives you a description of any image that it can find. Also, when you try to share the text, it gives you the text formatted as much as it could retain the formatting, and it's saved as a Word document, which is good. I mean, it's not just a TXT file, it's a Word document that you can share with other people. You can save to your phone, you can deal with it, to edit the file later. Of course, not using the app, because the app is not an editor, but I think this is one of the best apps when it comes to OCR. However, this comes at a price actually, because you have to pay $20 for the app. At least here in Lebanon, the subscription is $20 per month. It's slightly expensive, especially if we see, if we try to look at other subscription models. ChatGPT asks you for $20, Gemini asks you for $20. And if you are trying to compete, you should be at least giving people the subscription for less expensive price, because you get more when you go for ChatGPT and when you go for Gemini. However, something I have noticed is that those, or at least I tried with Copilot and I think I tried with Gemini, you usually can't get, at least I tried with the free one, but something interesting happened with Copilot. It refused to scan a PDF and give me the results because it's a copyrighted material. It's considered a copyrighted material. So if other models have the same issue, here comes the importance of having something like ScribeMe. But I think ChatGPT or Gemini could just let you scan the PDFs and give you the text that is present. So for this reason, I think although the app is really great and it has some good features, but I think the guy Mark should just try to think about the prices slightly and to try to make them slightly cheaper just to be competitive, and so people don't say, okay, I can just go for GPT Plus, or I can go for Gemini Pro and not pay for this application.
Yeah, or the other thing he could allow you to do, because I imagine all of the costs come from AI, is he could allow you to use your own AI key. So whatever engine it is he's using, is there a way that he could let you buy your own AI key instead of him paying the server costs? That does a bit depend on obviously how the AI is implemented, so it may not be technically possible, but obviously you can buy, as well as having subscriptions, you can buy keys for ChatGPT and Gemini to use them in other settings.
Yeah, I can see where the problem is because he doesn't have his own service, AI service. So he's using maybe these things at the back end, could be Gemini, it could be ChatGPT or whatever that he's using, Claude or whatever other, AI services out there. So it makes it really hard to charge lower subscription. I don't know, I have no clue how he's doing it or who he's using, and if you don't have enough money to cover that subscription that you're taking from that backend AI process, then it's going to be tough. But so Karen, does it retain? I know you and I, we always talk about the retention of embedded URLs and all of that. For example, so if say it extracts something in a PDF format and saves it as a Word document and has embedded URLs, have you found out if it retains those, or you haven't had a document that contains such embedded URLs?
Actually, I haven't tested this, but well, the thing is that first it displays the text on the screen, so you can read it. And if you want to share the text, you can just share the file, which is, as I said, the Word document file. But if already the links are available and the headings as well, so this, if we are talking about the file, this will depend on the viewer or the editor that you are using. So for example, if you take the file and use it with Microsoft Office, of course, the Windows version, not the terrible mobile version. So if you use the Windows version and you just open the file there, you should be able to find the headings. You should be able to navigate them. You should be able to find links as well. So for example, if you're an NVDA user, you can just use the browse mode and navigate the headings and links. So I think this is not a problem in this case, but if you're asking about the screen itself, I mean, when the text is displayed, I should test that and I'll report back.
Well, thank you so much, Mahato, as Karin said, and we're looking forward to more. And so I'll shout out to you and to any of you out there, guys. Send us your demos. Let's make this something that we're all helping out. So if you have an app that you really like and would like to share it with us, just go ahead and record it and send it to us. Or if you, whatever, want to just reach out and come and talk about it or whatever, that too is okay. But if you have an app that you really like, share it with our friends or share it with everyone, our listeners, by recording a demo of that app.
Yeah, please do. And thank you again, Snehashish, for the demo.